Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app AI app review of the day. In today's episode, we are reviewing an awesome AI app called Beautiful.ai. Let's get started. This app is all about presentation and design AI app. This app will power your today. Let's get started. Alright, so what is Beautiful.ai? Beautiful AI is a AI powered presentation maker that helps you create visually impressive and professional slide decks with minimal effort. So if you're creating slides for work or for personal use or as a content creator, you can now use AI to generate them for you. That's where Beautiful.ai comes into picture. Instead of starting from a blank slide, always start with AI slide, right? So use AI to automatically apply design principles and layouts as your content needed. This ensures your slides are always aesthetical, pleasing, and well organized, always allowing you to focus on your message rather than worrying about the design. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to create pitch decks, reports, proposals, sales pitch, etc. What are some of the cool features of this particular Beautiful.ai app? It has smart slides, which means AI will automatically format and design your slides as you add content. It's AI generated content, so you can also use the AI built in AI assistant to generate the text, titles, and images. It has interactive templates, which means you can choose from a wide range of professionally designed and customizable templates. It has real time collaboration, so you can bring in your entire team and work on presentations with your team. It has automated formatting, which means AI ensures every element is perfectly aligned and spaced. Beautiful AI also comes with stock images, free to use images and icons as part of your slides. What are some of the pros? It saves you time. Using AI, you can now generate quickly beautiful designs in faster. It gives you professional results. The every slide that is generated is polished, looks professional, and even for non-designers, it's like advanced enterprise grade. It comes with the built-in design rules, which means you can't make a bad looking slide because the AI enforces certain design principles. Its intuitive interface, which means the platform is very easy to use, easy to navigate, easy to change content. Consistent branding, you can create a brand kit across which can be used across all your presentations. It has collaboration features for teams working together on an enterprise project. What are some of the cons? It provides you little less creative freedom compared to what you would actually do on your PowerPoint sort of thing, understandably. It's subscription based, which means you need to get a subscription to access the full features. Templates can be limiting, which means if you want to really change, do advanced things, custom layouts, not everything is possible directly in Beautiful AI, at least now. It can be little expensive on higher pricey side if you are on pro and team plans. It's a web based only, which means app is not available as part of say desktop or mobile app, etc. Reliance on internet, which means it requires a stable internet connection to work with. Pricing, there is a free trial available and the platform operates itself on a paid subscription model. Let's go ahead, let's see the demo of Beautiful AI. So that's the URL, beautiful.ai. You can go check the overview, how it works, presentations and all that. So click on AI presentation and you can see different AI presentations that are created from beautiful.ai. And you can also explore the templates gallery and check out all the slides for yourself that you can generate. So it can generate you flowcharts, bar graphs, anything that you need basically from the business point of view. So these are all the templates that are available. You can just click on them, check the slide, and then customize this, right? That's the whole point. All right, so let's talk about the pricing. You can create business professional slides and presentations. It comes with 14 days of free trial, and you can use that to evaluate, to generate slides, and much more. The basic plan starts with 12 and then 40 and then custom for enterprise. All right, so these are all the features that comes with it, and you can see a lot of companies are already giving it a try, so why not you give it a try. It's free for 14 days, so why not give it a shot? So do let me know what you think about this. And till then, take care and thank you for joining. If you want to get featured on ARC tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.